From Quezon City, Asia Rose Simpson. Let's call on Matt with the magical fishbowl of judges.
Good evening, Miss Quezon City.
Looking like a butterfly tonight.
Shit.
Are you ready to choose your judge? You're funny.
You are funny.
Your judge is Lily Tangan Ko Lee.
Good evening to all.
Good evening po.
This is your question. Do you believe social media has helped or hurt society?
Mental health issues are on the rise. 1 in 7 children worldwide experience mental health disorders. And the World Health Organization relays that 80% of adolescents don't meet the recommended levels of activity. That's where SEED initiative comes in, my sports and dance initiative that specifically advocates for the physical, mental, and emotional health of today's youth. Social media, while it can have so many benefits, it helps us all promote different businesses and organizations that helps us succeed. However, I think it has also been used as a crutch for our creativity, for our social skills. So let's use social media responsibly. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Quezon City.
Well
So
done.
mga kapolitika, inyo pong napanood ang question and answer portion ni Asia Rose Simpson dito sa katatapos lang na Miss World Philippines 2026 kagabi na ginanap sa SM MOA. So inyong napanood at marami po ang mga nag-agree at meron rin pong somehow is disagree na nagsasabi hindi daw deserve ni Asia Rose Simpson itong kanyang naging titulo bilang Miss World Philippines, at ang sabi ng ilang mga netizen ay baka daw hindi rin ito lulusot doon sa Miss World 2026 sa international competition. So bibigyan natin ng reaksyon at ng ating opinion mga kapolitika itong pagkapanalo ni Asia Rose dito sa Miss World Philippines. Pero bago ang lahat ay huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue. At controversial nga po itong pagkapanalo ni Asia Rose dito sa MWP dahil nga marami pa daw ang mas deserve sa kanya. At yung iba namang nagko-comment, ang sabi nila ay hindi rin ito lulusot doon sa Miss World competition. At malabo daw na masungkit niya yung corona. So pinanood natin mga kapolitika kasi hindi ko na sinubaybayan yung finals nila kagabi kasi napakatagal, napakaraming mga announcement at napakaraming mga award, maraming mga commercial yung Miss World Philippines telecast kagabi. So talagang puyatan yung nangyari doon sa SMOA. Pero yung aking maging reaction at ang aking maging opinion dahil nga pinanood rin natin yung mga clip, yung mga videos, ay sa tingin ko naman deserve naman itong nanalo na taga Quezon City, si Asia Rose Simpson. Most especially sa kanyang com skills, magaling sa com skills itong kinoronahan ng Miss World. At para sa akin is normal lang naman na pag merong nananalo, merong natatalo sa isang kompetisyon, ay talagang merong masasabi yung mga supporters na dinaya daw or niluto daw yung resulta ng kompetisyon. Pero kung ating pagbabasihan is deserve din naman nitong nanalo na taga Quezon City. Okay, so kung hindi man siya mag-place doon sa Miss World kasi ang sabi nila is hindi daw lulusot, well, hindi pa naman natin alam kung ano yung kanyang magiging kapalaran. So as a Filipino ay siguro suportahan na lang po natin itong kanilang kinoronahan kasi tinitingnan din naman natin yung ibang mga candidate, mga kapolitika, at medyo angat rin naman talaga itong pambato ng Quezon City. At sabi nga nila is unexpected daw yung pagkapanalo ni Asia Rose Simpson dito sa Miss World dahil hindi siya kasali doon sa mga hot picks. At even yung mga pageant supporters, mga pageant vloggers, mga experts ay talagang hindi inaasahan yung pagkapanalo, yung kompetisyon ni Asia Rose Simpson. So marami ang mga nagustuhan yung kanyang performance. Meron yung iba nagsabi na na-disappoint dahil hindi nila inaasahan yung maging winner dito sa Miss World Philippines. So ano't ano pa man mga kapolitika, isuportahan na lang po natin itong kinurnahan sa Miss World kagabi dito sa SM MOA. So kung kayo po ang tatanungin ano po ang inyong mag-reaction at ano po ang inyong masasabi dito sa naging performance ni Asia Rose Simpson. Deserve niya ba ang corona? Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue.
We have Sultan Kudarat, Olivia Grace Rayleigh.
Welcome, welcome, Miss Sultan Kudarat.
Wow.
Lavender
Let's pick
looks
up your judge.
amazing on you. Please pick a judge.
Who's gonna be? How are you, Miss Sultan Kudarat?
Actually, it's very cold right now, and I'm trying my best to not freeze.
Oh, well then we hope that after the show, someone helps keep you warm. But for now, your judge is none other than Jojo Bragais.
Hi, Sir Jojo.
Hello. Good to see you here. I was one of the judges during your local pageant, di ba?
Very good
thi-
experience.
This is your question.
Okay.
Do impeachment processes strengthen our democracy or deepen our political divide?
Can you hear the question again?
Okay, one more time. Do impeachment processes strengthen our democracy or deepen our political divide?
In the Philippines right now, we are facing a lot of impeachment problems and with our president and vice president. But I think that we should do is to check and to see if it is true. And this is for due process too. And I hope that in the Philippines, we choose the right leaders. Leaders with accountability, transparency, and leaders who care for the well-being of a Filipino. Not just for the Filipino, but the future of our country, and which is the Philippines. Thank you so much.
Well said.
Thank you so
Thank you
much,
so much,
Miss
Miss
Sultan Kudarat.
All right, and next up, we have the Filipino community of New York, Marisa Delgado. Wow, look how she glides.
Look
Maria.
at our best in evening
Oh,
gown.
that explains it, right?
Right? You wouldn't be surprised. Marisa, are you ready to pick a judge? And your judge is Leo Ortiz.
Hello, good evening, Miss Filipino Community of New York. You look so gorgeous.
Thank you so much. Good evening. Well, I would say good evening, but magandang umaga. It's already 1 a.m. to all of you. Thank you so much for staying here.
So here is your question. With the Philippines recently recording the fastest growing HIV cases in Asia Pacific region, should the government declare a health emergency despite political and budget constraints?
Here in the Philippines, healthcare is a huge issue. Some families are one emergency away from poverty. So I believe that the government should set aside more budget and have more leaders that are transparent, accountable, and consistent when it comes to healthcare issues like HIV. And for the longest time, I believe that Filipinos are used to having less when it comes to healthcare. But I want to remind you all that you deserve so much more.
Thank you so much, Miss
Couldn't-
Filipino Community of New
Couldn't agree
York.
more. We deserve so much more.
It's
I
not a
love that.
question of what we can afford, but what we prioritize.
Exactly.
And it was always be the Filipino people,
Touche.
right?
All right, next.